and welcome back to the Wow Embossing YouTube channel. It's Erica with you today for my first post of February. We are of course going to go very colorful and very sparkly because hello, I am a rainbow-aholic. But we're going to do something slightly different today, and I'm just going to show you something that I thought was kind of fun to do when you want to add color to a card but you might not want to color. Does that make sense? So I laid out some Distress Oxide inks here, and as you can see, I've got two little pieces of acetate, and this is just white clear cardstock. No, it's just white cardstock. So I'm using my little acetate sheets as basically masks, but we're not going to be like taping them down or anything like that. We're just going to be sort of loosely holding them in place while we are just kind of sweeping that color over the cardstock. It doesn't have to be perfect. I actually think it might look better if it's not perfect. It's just kind of, you just slapping the ink on there and then, throwing your lid around a little bit like I do. In between each color, of course, you're going to want to clean off your pieces of acetate so you don't get your colors contaminated and stuff. So we've done those two colors sort of in slow speed, and we are going to speed up a little bit now just to kind of get to it, because I'm guessing you kind of guessed the gist now. Yeah, so because I am a rainbow-aholic, I am of course doing rainbow colors, but this technique you could do with any color you want, and you could just kind of like, I guess, dab your ink pads on there. It doesn't have to be strips or stripes. It doesn't have to be uniform or anything like that. You could just take your ink pad literally and just scrape it across. It doesn't have to even be more than one. It could just be one if you want to do that. So the whole point is basically to get some ink on your cardstock fast so that you can, get that card in the mail. So we're just going to do the last color here now, and then we are going to have a quick little cleanup of our supplies and stuff. Now I did first here, I was going to just kind of get right in there and ink up the color with the embossing pad, but then I realized, oh, actually, you know what, I'm going to want to stamp up my sentiment first, because some of that ink might get ink. Some of the area where I'm going to stamp my sentiment might get covered by the embossing pad, and then, the embossing glitter even. And then of course it's not going to show through very well, so you're going to want to do that first. So I also had the idea that I was going to kind of keep the sentiment itself kind of clear, but you can see I kind of went over some of the words anyway, so like an idiot. I have a plan, and then that plan goes out the window, and it happens. You're just gonna have to kind of like go with it. Yeah. Now the glitter I'm using is of course Halo, inspired by Catherine Pooler. I cannot overstate how absolutely obsessed I am with this glitter. It is one of those where, again, I saw it and I was like, well, I think I kind of have like iridescent ones, but this one is like, it just comes up to a whole new level. And you will see here that some of the powder kind of, because I was so willy-nilly with my ink pad, the glitter is covering some of the letters. So I thought, you know what, I'm just going to clean that up a little bit. Not sort of like crazy, just so that there's no glitter powder on top of the actual words. Because this glitter, if you go over black, it kind of goes like purpley, and I just want it to be black. So I probably should have actually heat embossed that sentiment with clear over to kind of make that stand out a little bit, and then gone for the glitter on top. Maybe I'll do that next time. But so this is like a super duper easy card, but this is the magic bit. So I'm heating, of course, again from underneath, because I want to keep all that glittery goodness on my actual card and not have it fly all around my room. Even though I'm sure this room will still, like 10 years after we move out, there will probably still be glitter here. But, I'm not going to worry about that right now. No. So this magic is oh, it's just so cool. I mean, I know I say it in every single video, and you're probably thinking, like, girl, are you ever gonna get sick of that? Can you just stop saying that? No, I cannot stop saying that, because look at the magic. Look at it. Ooh. Oh, I love that. But that, apart from a card base, is the card done. How easy peasy was that? I will make no apologies for being a glitteraholic. It's a must. I cannot give up that side of me. Nope. So that's it from me for today. But I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll try this for yourself. And we will see you back here on the Wow Embossing YouTube channel very soon again for lots more fun tutorials. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.